So Thando Thabede replaces DJ Fresh on 94.7. Ah, shame man, DJ Fresh. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank you. So DJ Fresh and Euphonik got booted out on 94.7 because of these rape allegations. So you can check the story in the description box below. I made a story about that. So that's how they exited 94.7. Anyway, back to Thando Thabede. She finalized her resignation on Tuesday, the 3rd of March 2020 last year. And look at God, they say she got a new contract, which is good news. Congratulations, Thando. She said that we had to make a very difficult decision, something we have had to ponder over for many, many months. Basically, I have tendered my resignation at 5 a.m. and the idea is to focus on the things that I want to do, she told Chisa Life. I've been doing it for almost 11 years now. I hope I have opened up the path for other young black women to sour in that field. And in a sudden change of heart this year, Thando has officially returned to the radio and she made, that big announcement. This is happening. So glad to finally announce that I am officially driving you home, Johannesburg. Hashtag 94.7 Drive with Thando. Thando said that in a statement that she was approached by the 94.7 team and she could not say no. I am really excited to be returning to the radio, to have been approached by Joburg's coolest frequency. It's just fantastic. I have always loved radio as a medium to genuinely connect with people through music and conversation. I believe music is a true leveler and bringing people closer and together in a place and time. I can't wait to get behind the mic and contribute to our 94.7 audience listening experience. So congratulations to Thando. It is sad news for DJ Fresh, but life goes on. Congratulations, Thando. I want to reserve my thoughts for now. Hashtag 94.7 Drive with Thando. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Till I see you again. Bye.